Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. First of all, in order to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, we need to install this app, which is Drive, from Play Store, and we have to install another app, which is our desired app, which is WhatsApp. So if you want to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, click on WhatsApp, then from in the left or right, in the right corner you'll see this three icon. Click on that, click on settings, go to chats, go to chat backup, and you click on Google account, click your desired account and click on backup. As I've already, you can see the time is 5:51 and I have already backed up my WhatsApp messages and videos in 5:38 before making this video. I don't need to backup again. So I will now show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Now already our WhatsApp message and videos are backed up in our Google Drive. So when we uninstall WhatsApp and again install WhatsApp in this phone or on another phone, we can easily restore WhatsApp. Let me show you. Now what we will do, we will uninstall this app. You can see the WhatsApp is uninstalled. I will go to Play Store, and I want to install WhatsApp app. Here I will click on install. Depending on your internet connection, it will take some time to install. Let us wait for some minutes. As you can see, our WhatsApp is getting installed. Let us wait a few minutes to get it installed. Then I can show you how your previous messages are automatically restored by your Google Drive. As you can see, the WhatsApp is installed. Let us open WhatsApp. I will give my phone number. Here they are looking for backups. As I have previously backed up the WhatsApp to my Google Drive, they will, when you reinstall it in a new phone or on this phone, see, you will find this thing. You store your chats, which is 1.16 GB. It will take 1.1 GB. So I will just click on restore, and it will automatically restore my previous messages, videos, everything. So by this process, you can easily restore your WhatsApp by backing up it to your Google Drive. It will take some time. See, the previous messages are already backed up. Now after fulfilling all the formalities, we can easily see all our messages are backed up and all our messages are again will come to your WhatsApp in as it were previously. See, it's now restoring the media. So by this simple process, you can easily restore your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.